Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming the March, yes I said March 2022 Kinder Beauty box, because for some reason, and this is not the first time this has happened, my box says it's shipped and then literally the tracking never updates. So it's like someone prints a label and then it never gets slapped on a box is my working theory. Which is really annoying and should not be an issue, but it's been an issue a couple of times now. So let's go ahead and take a look at this box and see what came in the March box, even though it's not new, it's not fresh, and I'm sure it's been on a million other channels. Let's go ahead. So here's what we have. The card. This is the Awaken box. Is this the one I picked? I have no idea. I don't even remember. So, there's that. Looks like we have 5 products in this box, so let's go ahead and just grab one and get to looking. So the first one is from 3 Ships, and this is the lip treatment kit. So you're getting 2 items in one here. This is a $30 value, and it says, kiss dry lips goodbye with this kit that exfoliates and hydrates. The vanilla scented scrub gently lifts away dead skin, while the delicious buttercream mask locks in luscious moisture into your pucker. Now, I've had 3 Ships, what did I have? Face washes. And those were really nice. And I think I might have a 3 Ships lip scrub that I just haven't used yet. I'm working on a different one. But this is cool that it comes in a little kit. This would be a nice gift, actually, I feel like. I mean, as long as the product's actually good. But the fact that it's like the scrub and the balm in one, it's kind of a nice gifting concept. So let's see, this is the vanilla lip exfoliator. I think this is what I have. Although I don't know if it's also vanilla, I don't remember. It smells nice. Let's see. Yeah, it feels kind of like a sugar scrub or something. And then this is the Buttercream Hydrating Lip Mask. It seems nice too. So that's exciting, and these are 2 products I will actually get use out of, so that's pretty cool. The next item is from Based, and it's the Indulgent Body Lotion. Mine's a little dusty from the tapeworms in the box, but let's read about this one. It's a $3.99 value, and it's the Creme Brulee Body Lotion is what it's called. I don't see, oh, Creme Brulee is in like light yellow, so it's hard to see it on there, but it's on there. Treat your body to this long-lasting, deeply hydrating lotion that will be the perfect addition to your routine, bringing earthy, warm scents to awaken all of your senses. So that's kind of nice, little travel size body lotion, especially nice size for heading into spring and summer. I know we're going on a trip in a week or 2, so this will be a good size to pack and bring with me. I actually will do that. Never mad about getting lotion. We'll always eventually use lotion. So far, we're 2 for 2 on utilitarian items, which I'm not mad about. Next item, let's grab this one. What is this? This is the 103 Collection Blueberry Cranberry Facial Scrub. So, there we go. My camera just does not like focusing that well. I'm going to give up on that. Let's open it up and take a look. It does smell strange. Doesn't smell like berries. I was expecting it to smell like berries. I guess it's just blueberry and cranberry type of ingredients used. I can't get the lid back on. There we go. Let's read about it. It's a $9.99 value, which feels appropriate given the size. Perfect for sensitive skin, this nourishing formula brightens and reduces hyperpigmentation and puffiness, all without clogging pores. Just a touch infuses dry skin with moisture and reduces excess oil, letting you rise and shine anytime. You know, let me reopen that and get an idea of the texture. Yeah, this is maybe a bit grittier than I would want to use on my face, but I'm going to give it a try one time, and if it seems a bit too aggressive, I'm going to give it away to a friend. So, face scrubs are always very hit or miss for me. Next we have from J&L Naturals the Face Salve in Hydrate. I guess it's the, yeah, that's what it's. So they must have the face salve come in other types of forms because it like specifically notates hydrate. So this is a $16.99 value, and it says the small but mighty antioxidant salve with an invigorating fresh scent of cedar forest soothes dryness and regulates oil production, all without clogging pores. So all that scent stuff. Oh yeah, this is littered with fragrance. I'm not putting this on my face, so I'm just gonna give this away. Just gonna go ahead and give that away. It'd be nice if one day my camera actually focused. Oh, look at that. It worked. I do actually enjoy the J&L Naturals hair oil blends that have come in these boxes, but this is a miss for me. Just gonna go ahead and give that away. Way too much scent. And then the last item is from Earth Harbor, and it is the Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. So, funny, I was just talking about hair oils. This is a hair oil. This is a $30 value. This silky superfood hair elixir delivers vital nutrients using seaweed and coconut, protects against pollution with jasmine and calendula flowers, and rejuvenates with carrot seed and jojoba oil. So, I've not had the Sunstone one yet. That's pretty exciting. This is like an orangey color. I guess I'm kind of going for that carrot seed vibe. And seems cool. I have like 20 million hair oils to get through, but I'm definitely going to add this one to the selection because when I can use an Earth Harbor product, I do tend to enjoy them. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. And that's everything that came in this box. So overall, pretty pleased with the box for the most part. I'm going to use this. I will definitely use these. And I think this is a cool gifting idea. I'll use this. I'm dropping everything. Let me set it all down so I don't drop anything else. This total miss for me. I don't like the ingredients. And this, we'll have to wait and see. I'm going to give it a try first. The texture of the exfoliating bits is very borderline for me, whether or not I think they'll be too aggressive or not. So that is my thoughts on the box. I'm going to give this like a solid A-, I think. Because the 3 products that I did get that I can use, will use for 100% certainty, I think are really cool. So A-. And then if we're factoring in how completely late this is basically a half a month late. Because we're like nearly halfway into April, I'm gonna go ahead and knock it down a little bit to like a B. Because that's ridiculous that these things arrive that late. And I want to be, I want to have grace and not get super irritated about it. I mean, it's all material items, not that irritated about it, but at the same time, this is what the company does. They give you a monthly item, and the fact that it's half a month late is not great. Really a knock on them. So that is what it is. But that is my thoughts on this box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And I'm completely forgetting to tell you guys that I am wearing the Disco Queen gloss from Medusa's Makeup in Bad Girls. And I don't think it'll capture it on camera just how multi-dimensional and lovely this is, but this is gorgeous. And I really, really like this. I've been keeping it in my purse the past couple days. So now it's the end of the video, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.